I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your essentials, a Google account and a valid payment method. Once done, update the YouTube app so features match the service. Now open YouTube, tap your profile icon at the top right, and select the Try YouTube Premium or Get YouTube Premium prompt. Follow the on-screen prompt immediately. This moves you from setup to plan selection. Doing these steps now prevents interruptions later and ensures the button you need appears without extra menus. You choose the right plan based on who will use it, individual, family, or student. Make sure to read the monthly price and any trial length. Sometimes you get 1 month free or a longer promotion. After selecting a plan, tap Continue to enter or confirm your payment method and billing details. Pause to review recurring charges and region-specific taxes. This prevents surprises on your statement. If you see an option to manage family members, set it up now to invite them. You finish by confirming the subscription and watching for a confirmation email or receipt. Keep it for billing records. Once active, go into YouTube settings to enable offline downloads, background play, and ad-free playback so you benefit immediately. If the subscription fails, try a quick fix. Sign out of your Google account, clear the YouTube app cache, restart your phone, then sign back in and reattempt. If problems persist, verify payment method limits or contact your bank before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.